I am a science major, so I was really interested in the engineering aspect of it because I was never introduced or taught that side of implants. Dr. Stanley, his course was very thorough, informational. He's really good at explaining the whole process in a way that we are going to be able to feel confident enough to explain it to our patients. I think it was very good for hands-on training because you're able to physically feel how the drill shifts once you go through the different densities of the bone. You can tell someone that this is what's happening, but until you actually feel it yourself, you're not going to understand. It makes me satisfied knowing that the patient is receiving an excellent quality of work. The implant is going to be placed in the right position, and it takes less time using a surgical guide versus freehand. So there's less post-operative sensitivity, less time in the chair, and the patient leaves happy.